Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to thanks and congratulate Sri C.A. Deen Dayal Agarwal, Chairman of CSR Research Foundation, and other officials of the trust. I am really impressed for the work done by CSR Research Foundation in creating flagship project, a mission AAA, that is a step towards awareness, availability and affordability of sanitary napkins to promote women health care, hygiene and gender sensitive issues. They have installed numerous free sanitary napkins, vending machines and incinerators. CSR Research Foundations educated around 1.5 lakhs girl students through various awareness programs. Today in this inaugural session, we have seen release of book relating to blockchain technology, what it offers, which is written by Dr. Ajay Singh and Sri Pankaj Som Chaturvedi. It has been virtually inaugurated by Sri Liampo Loknath Sharma, Honorable Minister of Economic Affairs, Bhutan, and introduction of book done by Sri Pankaj Som Chaturvedi in Delhi and by Ajay Singh at Bhutan. So we are thankful to Honorable Sri Liampo Loknath Saraf, Honorable Minister of Economic Affairs, Bhutan, for inaugurating this book at Bhutan. And we have with us Dr. Subhash Sarkar, Honorable Minister of State of Education, who has delivered a very well address about blockchain and its benefit. So we also welcome and thankful to him that he had spared his valuable time here and joined the event. We are also thankful to other speakers who spared their valuable time and joined the events. We also extend our thanks to Sri Ritu Singh, who has moderated this session very well, and also Ritu Paran Singh, and also thankful to the speakers for delivering his special address in this inaugural session. Today we are fortunate to have presence of Sri Gopal Krishna Agarwal, spokesperson of BJP, with us, who has delivered theme address on blockchain and its usage, and particularly usage in SME. We extend our thanks to him for sparing his valuable time. We are also thankful to Sri Mukesh Singhal, CMD Verification Private Limited, to deliver his lecture. As we know, blockchain is one of the brightest and biggest innovation and technology disruptor. Now the time has come to recognize and realize the importance of the technology. Blockchain is a decentralized and distributed ledger that is used for recording transactions and tracking digital assets. This technology is being very well used in cryptocurrency application, and many more applications can be used in cyber security and government, private sector, and wherever we want to use this technology. It is useful in share market also, and countries who have used this technology have got lot of benefit. And actually cryptocurrency is so popular because of this blockchain technology. At the end, once again, I would like to appreciate and thankful the presence of all the panelists in this inaugural session as well as in the forthcoming technical session. I would also like to appreciate the presence of Mr. Praveen Kantji, Mr. VP Marwarji, who have spared their valuable time and be here, and all distinguished guests, and of course the audience who has spared time and are since morning with us in this session. I also extend my thanks to all the sponsors who has contributed for this event. Thank you everyone.
Thank you so much.